this tutorial, we will be discussing the details of the Profile Overview module. By clicking on the Edit option in the Profile Overview section, you can edit or update your name, email, and phone number. Once done, you can click on the Update Profile option to save the changes. You can also enter the emergency contact details for your feasibility by filling in the fields of name, relation, and phone number. To add another Jamatkhana, simply click on the Add option in the Jamatkhana section and select the desired Jamatkhana from the drop-down. In case if you want to delete a Jamatkhana from your profile, you can simply do that by swiping it to the left. For the team section, you can click on the Add button to add your team details. That includes the team type, shift, days, and time. Then click on Add Team to save all the details. Further, by clicking on the Edit icon, you can modify your team details. If you want to change or update any of your vehicle details, you can do that through the Profile Overview module. By clicking on Add Address, you can add your address. Click on Tab to get address for adding your current address. The rest of the fields will be autofilled. In case if you don't want to add your current location as your address, fill the below mentioned fields. Further, you can edit your address by clicking on the Edit icon. In case if you want to delete the address from your profile, you can simply do that by swiping to the left. Click on the Add button to add another pickup location. You can select Pickup City from the drop-down field. In case if you want to delete the pickup location from your profile, you can simply do that by swiping to the left. Hopefully this tutorial will help in accessing the Manage Profile module. Thank you for watching. For any further queries or concerns, please visit sevadaari.com.